welcome back to my channel. This time I will teach you 2 more rotations of the cube. To start, let me introduce some basic terminology about the cube. First, the cube has 8 corner pieces, each of which has 3 different colors. So this would be the yellow, orange, and blue corner piece. This would be another corner piece, and the 4th corner piece. And there is also 4 corner pieces in the bottom layer, bringing the total to 8 corner pieces. Secondly, the cube has 12 edge pieces, each of which has 2 different colors. So this would be the yellow and blue edge piece, the yellow and orange edge piece, the yellow and green edge piece, and the yellow and red edge piece. And there is also 4 in the middle layer, 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the bottom layer, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Finally, the cube has 6 different center pieces with 1 different color for each. So you have blue, red, green, orange, yellow, and white. Now let's review the turns we learned from last time. So first we have R, which is to turn the right side of the cube up, and RI, which is to turn the right side of the cube down. Next, we have U, which turns the top layer of the cube left, and UI, which turns the top layer of the cube right. Now, let's learn 2 more rotations for the cube. The side of the cube that's facing you is called the front face, or F for short. Now, move your right hand down like so, as if you are doing the RI rotation. Then, with your index finger, push the front layer down or clockwise. That is called F. To do FI, start in the same position as F, and use your thumb and release your index finger and push the front layer up or counterclockwise like so. There you have it. You can now turn the front layer of the cube. The next rotation we will learn is called D or down. D stands for the bottom layer of the cube. To do the D turn, start in the holding position and use your left hand ring finger to push the bottom layer clockwise like so. To do DI, use your right hand ring finger to push the bottom layer counterclockwise like so. There you have it. You now know how to do 4 out of the 6 different ways to turn the cube. Thank you for watching.